Natural dry cough remedies for instant relief. A persistent dry cough can disrupt your daily life and sleep. While over the counter options exist, natural remedies are effective alternatives. Common causes include allergies, asthma, and viral infections. Here are some remedies. Honey infusions soothe the throat. Steam inhalation moistens air passages. Hydration keeps your throat moist. Turmeric milk has anti-inflammatory properties. Embrace these home remedies for cough relief, but remember to seek professional advice if symptoms persist. Learn more at citizenshospitals.com.